Allegro is an 8-year-old biotech company focused on ophthalmology and particularly in retina. You bring together myself and several other senior C-level executives who have done at least, let's see, maybe 3 or 4 biotech companies in ophthalmology and in pharmaceuticals in particular. At this point, we've been focusing our new drug, Illuminate, which has the name resutaganib now, for diabetic macular edema. We're phase 3 ready at this point in time and expect to start our phase 3s in diabetic macular edema early 2019. There is no secret sauce in particular, but the reality is that anything new takes time for people to believe in it. There is a healthy dose of skepticism in anything that's new, and it takes time and effort to have enough data, to have enough relationships, to have enough of a convincing story that fits together that people say, okay, that makes sense. It's different than the way we've looked at things before, but this is making sense. I'm going to throw my name behind this. And little by little, you bring enough momentum behind this with the right people, with the right data, that it becomes the new standard of care, whatever it is. And you've seen this over and over again in ophthalmology, a lot in retina, a lot in front of the eye as well, and on the medical and surgical sides. I think ophthalmology gives you some unique benefits that you don't have in systemic disease. I think there's a lot more entrepreneurism in ophthalmology. A few other fields of medicine have it as well. You see it in orthopedics and cardiology, but a lot of parts of medicine you don't see very much innovation, at least at this level, where people get their hands dirty, roll their sleeves up, and the clinicians start to become the researchers and back and forth. Ophthalmology has some unique features. Number one is the eye is sort of sequestered off in its own space. So you don't have, for example, when you do toxicology studies, what you do in the eye and what you worry about for the rest of the body are not the same. The way you measure success, it's one thing to fix someone's blood pressure, it's quite another in terms of their quality of life to make them be able to go back to work and read again or drive again. So it's quite a different animal, but I think it's actually, there's more innovation in ophthalmology than I've seen in many other parts of medicine, except for maybe orthopedics and cardiology, and maybe oncology as well. OIS has been very instrumental in helping us move forward an objective sounding board to make sure you're not drinking the Kool-Aid too much, that it's an opportunity, a platform to show what you have, see how it resonates with people who have more experience than you in very many different areas than you might have with even your a really well-developed team. And I think it increases your likelihood of success and of course getting across the finish line. I can tell you, for example, that both Emmett and Bill, we worked very close with both of them over the last probably 7 or 8 years that we've been coming to OIS, and both of them have been instrumental in helping us move forward.